For the case study 2, that is the question number 37, a middle school decided to run the following spinner game as a fundraiser on Christmas Carnival. This is the spinner 1, this is the spinner 2. And it's given that spin each spinner once, blue and red makes purple. So if one spinner shows red and the another blue, that makes purple and you win. So one such outcome is RB. We have to list all the possible outcomes of the game. So all the possible outcomes of the game are, so possible outcomes of game are. So this is the first, let's say this is the first spinner which has red and green and yellow regions. And then is the second spinner which has red, blue, and green regions. Now the possible outcomes are red, red and green, red and yellow. This is blue, red, blue, green, blue, yellow, and then green, red, green, green, and green with yellow. So these are the possible outcomes. We can write it as the possible outcomes of the game are, we can write it as red, 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 green, red, yellow, blue, red, blue, green, blue, yellow, green, red, green, green, and green, yellow. This is the sample space, and we have a total outcomes of 9. So total outcomes are 9. Now we have to find the probability of making purple. So purple is made when we have the red and the blue. So for the second one, the probability of making purple is the probability of R and B, red and blue. So sorry, blue and red. So spinners blue and red makes purple. So this is blue and red. Okay, RB blue red is one the same thing. This is the probability of red and blue. Red and blue, which makes purple. So red and blue, we only have one option for red and blue. So that means the probability of making purple is 1 by 9. And for the third one, part A, it's given that a participant gets rupees 10 for winning and she has to pay rupees 5 to the school. And if 99 participants played, how much fund would the school have collected? So spinner wins when it shows red and the blue. So the probability of winning is the probability of getting red and blue, which is making purple, which is 1 by 9. And total number of participants are 99. So total participants are 99. Now, if total participants are 99 and probability of winning is 1 by 9, so the can number of participants that must win out of 99 with the probability of 1 by 9. So the number of participants that must win will be the probability of winning multiplied by the number of participants, which is 11. So these participants win. Now the number of participants that lose the game, that lose the game will be 99 minus 11, which is 88. Now the funds collected by the school, these funds collected by school. Now the funds will be collected by the school when the losing participants they have to give money to the school, rupees 5, so 88 into 5. But for 11 winning participants, they have to give rupees 10, so we will have to subtract. So this is the money is earned from the losing, and the money is given to the winners. So the losers will give this amount of money to the school, which is a fund collected, but we have to subtract the winning amount from the collected amount. So 8 fives are is 40, 8 fives are 440 minus 110, which is 330 rupees. Okay, now for third part B, it's given that if same amount of rupees 5 have been decided for winning or losing the game, how much fund had been collected by the school, the number of participants still remains same. So the number of participants still remains same. That is, we have to make changes just here. So now the funds collected by school is equal to they have to it's given that amount 5 has decided for winning or losing. So it's the same amount for winning and losing. So it's 88 minus 5 into 11 into 5, which is 440 minus 55. And this is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So this is 385 rupees will be the amount. And this solves our case study 2. Let's move on to the final one, the case study 3 of this question.